Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dahi for Dahi Bhalla. First, heat 1 liter of full-fat milk until it just begins to simmer, then let it cool to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for activating the starter culture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of a good quality dahi starter, ensuring it's well mixed. Cover the pot and let it sit undisturbed for 6 to 8 hours, or until it sets firmly. You'll love the creamy result. To achieve that perfect, thick consistency, the amount of starter culture is key. Too much can make it sour quickly, while too little might not set it properly. A good rule of thumb is 1 tablespoon per liter of milk. Also, ensure your fermentation environment is consistently warm, ideally around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps the bacteria thrive and create a smooth, firm dahi. Patience is a virtue here. Once your dahi is perfectly set, it's time to prepare it for the ballas. Gently whisk the dahi until it becomes smooth and creamy, without any lumps. Then, season it with a pinch of black salt and a dash of roasted cumin powder for an authentic flavor. For serving, pour it generously over your soaked ballas and garnish with a drizzle of sweet tamarind chutney and fresh coriander. Delicious. Sometimes dahi doesn't turn out exactly as planned. If your dahi is too watery, try fermenting it for an additional 1 to 2 hours, or ensure your milk was heated sufficiently. If it's too sour, next time reduce the amount of starter culture or shorten the fermentation period. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.